What's going on with Neuralink? Elon Musk is well known for his high-profile businesses, such as Tesla and SpaceX. He led Tesla, which was a long shot in the electric car world, from the verge of bankruptcy to the S&P 500. He's also brought SpaceX back from the brink of bankruptcy, allowing it to use its reusable rockets to transport NASA astronauts to the International Space Station. The Boring Company and, most notably, Neuralink are among the billionaire's unique ventures. The major goal of Neuralink is to create a symbiotic relationship between the human brain and artificial intelligence, with installing the first implant devices in humans by 2022. Let's dive a bit into what Neuralink really is and what is going on with it. A video of a monkey implanted with a Neuralink device playing a video game made headlines in the spring of 2021. The intriguing trial demonstrated an early step toward the objective of healing human disorders with the same type of implant, allowing patients with paralysis to control computers and mobile devices with ease and speed using their brain. While Musk's intention with Neuralink is to bring money and attention to the field of brain-computer interfaces, his goals are overly optimistic and rely on some bold scientific and engineering breakthroughs. Neuralink will use a robot surgeon to implant a computer chip into the human brain. Neuralink is working on a chip the size of a coin that would be implanted in a human's brain with an array of tiny wires, each about 20 times thinner than a human hair, spread out from the chip and into the brain. Researchers study the data that is being wirelessly transferred to computers with the help of 1,024 electrodes that can both monitor and electrically stimulate brain activity. Improved brain interface technologies such as Neuralink's may make it easier to study and cure severe neurological diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. One of the many amazing applications that it has might be people controlling robotic prosthesis with their minds, thanks to this application. The device, called the Link, will wirelessly connect the brain to the digital world, beginning with a smartphone. According to Musk, the resulting computer capacity will enable humans to compete with quickly growing AI on a global scale. Musk also views the Link as a treatment for a variety of mental illnesses and disabilities, ranging from depression and anxiety to dementia and paralysis. While this may appear to be science fiction, brain-computer interface (BCI) technology has been around for decades. A BCI device, at its most basic level, detects a brain signal, analyzes it, and converts it into a message that can be carried out by a device outside the brain. In the early 2000s, scientists implanted a brain-computer interface device that was remarkably similar to Neuralink in humans. Since then, several studies have shown that human volunteers with paralysis who have been implanted with BCI devices can accomplish everything from control of their paralyzed limbs to online shopping by simply thinking about manipulating a computer cursor or mouse. A deep brain stimulator, DBS, which is used to treat Parkinson's disease, is already in use by over 300,000 patients. In comparison to prior devices, Neuralink boasts substantial engineering achievements. To allow cables to flow through, most contemporary brain-computer connections require a metal plug projecting from the skull. Neuralink takes advantage of wireless communication, which is an important step in creating a functional and safe medical device. Thin and flexible electrodes are placed using a revolutionary sewing robot, which allows thousands of electrodes to be placed without harming brain tissue or altering any other brain function. However, it is very difficult to predict if Neuralink will be able to heal psychiatric brain illnesses even with all the advancements in progress. Understanding what activity is normal, what goes wrong in neurological diseases and disorders, and how to cure it is required for interpreting and affecting brain activity. Neuralink announced the completion of a $205 million Series C investment round led by Google Ventures. According to the company's release, the chip's first commercial application could be to assist quadriplegics, which is a condition in which all four limbs are partially or in some cases completely paralyzed. The Neuralink technology will allow quadriplegics to reclaim digital independence by allowing them to interact with their computers or phones in a naturalistic and high-bandwidth manner. The money raised will go toward bringing Neuralink's first product to market, as well as accelerating future product research and development. Despite Musk's praise for Neuralink's near-term potential, he frequently associates the firm with his concerns about artificial intelligence. It seems obvious that humans will never be able to outperform a digital supercomputer. Musk has stated numerous times that he believes mankind will be able to establish symbiosis with artificial intelligence utilizing Neuralink technology. Musk is concerned about the existential threat posed by digital superintelligence. It may sound easy to challenge the maverick entrepreneur's views, but if you tell Musk something isn't possible, it better be because of a physical rule, or you'll seem foolish.